All right, guys, this is Anupam again. From the last video which I created, there were some questions about can I use Fabric data flows only for reports and queries and model information from SAP? Because those data flows can extract massive amounts of data from SAP from tables and millions of records, etc. So the answer is yes, you can. You can extract tables, views as well. Also, you can use the change data capture feature from the USB for SAP to extract only deltas using the Power BI data flows or the Fabric data flows as they are known now. So let's get in. Let's see how I can extract tables and views as well from SAP. Let's get started. So last time we had gone into a report, which was MB51. Today, let's say someone wants to add a table which is related to this. So LFA1 is the table name, and this is the vendor master table in SAP. If I run this, I get a bunch of records from SAP. And a lot of times, we want to marry data from a report with this table data, or we might be wanting to use the tables data for our AI and machine learning workloads. Whatever the case is, let's see how we can get this data out using the Fabric data flows onto ADLS. Let's get going. So I'll go into my Fabric, and there you see we have this data flow, and if I was to go into the destination, it's still creating the data output in this directory. And basically on the source side, I had to make a few changes, which is basically configuration changes. So what you see here is the same delimiter I'm using. The object type has become T, which stands for tables or views. And the object ID I have given as LFA1. Remember, that's the SAP table, LFA1, which we were using, and that's the one which we are asking it to extract. And field labels on this is T, which is technical field names. And if you notice, the extraction is still being done to the Power BI DF folder on Azure Data Lake Gen 2. All right. So based on this, if I go in and see the runs history, I see that this particular extraction has succeeded. And I can go into my Azure Data Lake and refresh. So here you will see SAP data LFA1 extract, which has been generated. And I will need to download this. So download in order to view this. Save this. Replace. And when I open this particular file with Excel, you see the records which were in SAP along with the column headers, which has been created, right? So these are your column names and then the record set from the LFA1 table. So what did we do? We went to SAP and asked Fabric data flow to extract a table from the SAP system and create an output onto ADLS Gen 2. All right, I hope you find this useful. Thank you.